Welcome to 13 Seib Road, Eumundi, a beautifully renovated Queenslander where character, light and modern design come together effortlessly. From the herringbone floors to the warm timber finishes and peaceful outlooks, this home really captures the essence of hinterland living.
Morning stroll to the artisan street, the hinterland heart where the creatives meet. Shade of the figs and the market sound, the finest energy to be found. Canopy view